DJI has a new trading tool for industrial drone pilots. But wait, there's a free version. Check the link in the description. To run the sim, DJI recommends an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti display adapter. However, I have successfully used a GTX 660 at the sim's best quality settings. Controllers. I have the simulator working with all of these controllers. Sadly, the Spark controller does not work. Installation. Installation is a two-step process. The first download installs the opening screen and, most importantly, the drivers for the controllers. The drivers take a long time to install and several confirmations to trust the code. Next, the opening screen will download the actual simulator. It's around 2 gigs of data. The final step before running the sim is to connect your controller. A long USB cord is required with a micro jack at one end. Power on the controller first, and then connect the micro USB to the socket on the controller. Your computer will recognize a new USB device and install drivers for it. Warning, this can take a very long time to complete. When completed, there will be a new COM device in the computer's device manager. Do not run the sim until this has completed. Running the sim. The sim will require you to log in with a DJI account, just like the real-world app does. The sim has a set of hotkeys to set and navigate the program. It is worth writing these down, as some controllers cannot access every command, especially the Mavic Pro controller. The C, V, and P keys are the most important ones to know. The sim has 5 screen views: Pilot FPV, Remote Control View, Drone FPV, Follow View, Third Person. Cycle these views using the C key. I found the simulator mimic the real-world flying best when using the Phantom controller. With the Mavic controllers, the yaw function was at times much too sensitive. This was especially evident when using sport mode. Fortunately, deep in the simulator, there is a way to fix this. Sadly, there is only one general tuning settings for Expo and games, and not individual settings for each mode as in the real world. The free sim has plenty of areas to explore and some nice games too. The sound and music became annoying after a short while. Fortunately, these can be turned off. It would have been nice to see the inclusion of intelligent flight modes, which would let pilots learn how to set them up before flying in the real world. But maybe these are in the paid version. All in all, it's a very nice simulator, and you cannot beat the price. Great to keep the skills sharp on a cold winter's day. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button.